Sentries spotted a group of lost souls in Ni, in a distant realm, Merlin, with eyes that held secrets of. Among them, a tired laborer and a fearful young soul, trapped in the grasp of an unseen evil. A sinister presence emerged, a sorceress of dark intent, ready to unleash her powers on the helpless wanderers. They turned to the enchanter, a feline guardian of ancient arts, his aura shimmering with protective magic. In the face of looming threat, hope flickered in the eyes of the weary man and the trembling youth, finding courage in the wizard's presence. Spells clashed in a spectacle of light and shadows, testing the wizard's prowess against the sorceress's wicked might. Pushed to the brink, the enchanter unleashed forbidden magic, challenging the wizard to dig deeper into his ancient well of power. In a final gambit, darkness spilled from the sorceress's form, a test of wills that would determine the fate of the travelers. With a stroke of genius, the enchanter turned the tide, unraveling the sorceress's schemes and securing the wanderer's deliverance. Hearts brimming with gratitude, the wanderers watched the enigmatic sage depart into the unknown, leaving behind a legacy of wonder and protection.